What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Pound the Bottom Fridays. And I'm here way up north, trying a small lake for some panfish and some crappies. If you haven't already yet, subscribe. We'd love for you to do that. And hit the like button if you have fun. So come along, let's start pounding the bottoms. Well, I'm marking them. That's a good thing. There you go. Oops. Lost that one. They're all over down there. Pretty nice. There you go. Got them. Oh, there you go. Little ones. Bigger ones. Not too bad though. Not too bad of a start. Up here, way up north, the ice has just been shitty. Really shitty all winter. We had good ice early December, but then right around Christmas we started getting some rain and heavy snow, and there's no cars or whatever on the lake right now. It's just so weird. Just really crappy ice. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up. I mean, I'm marking them really good right now. So we're at 11 feet. I think I'm gonna just kind of set up my flip over and see how we do. Let's get some line back in the water. There we go. There we go. Not too bad. There you go. Not too bad. Can't complain. Oh, wee wee. With your minnows, are you through the back or through the mouth kind of person? I always try to do a little of each through the back. There we go. What do I got? Tighten my reel. Oh, yes. Yes. Wow. Whoa. Look at them apples. Yes. Look at that. Boom. That's a nice one. Yeah. Ooh, another one. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Nice sunny. Nice bluegill. It's a nice one. Oh, it's a nicey. Look at that. Look at that. Love that. Love me some of that. Boom. Got him. Ooh. Wow, where did your bigger one go? Jeez. Nailed that one. Oh. Oh. Wow. Whoa. That crappie came out of nowhere. Came flying up from the bottom. Oh, holy. Oh, yozo. Oh. Whoa. That's a small one. That is a small one. I mean, look at the size of that one. Woo! This is unreal. Like, we've fished this lake a lot. It's our favorite lake because it's up by our cabin where we hunt and so forth. So it's fun. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, this is a good one. Oh, no, no one. Just felt bigger. So we hunt this. Look at that. Yeah, nice ones are still fun to catch, you know? So we, like I said, we fish this lake a lot. It's really fun to do northern on tip-ups. When we bring our kids out, they just absolutely love that. And then a lot of panfish and a lot of bluegill, so, or crappies. So it's pretty cool. There's another one. There we go. Problem is you can get into them like this with no size, really. But anyways, yeah, you can crappies, panfish. 2 years ago, we pulled out about a 3.5 pound largemouth bass off a tip up. So bass are prevalent in this lake too. It's just a fun lake to bring kids. If you wanna get your catch on, this would be the lake to do it, because you're almost, for the most part, you're almost guaranteed fish to catch fish. So now to the size, that's kind of hit and miss. There we go. Yahtzee. What we got here? Ooh, there's a nicer one. Woo, dog it. That's a beaut. She's a beaut, Clark. Whoa. Look at that one. Look at that. That's a nice one. Solid. Liking that one. Oh, whoa. Ooh, that one's around the transducer. Makes it feel bigger. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Around the transducer a little bit. There we go. Shoot back down. There. There we go. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. There you go. Thank you. Ooh, you can tell this one's a really nice one. Give it up. All right, everyone. So there you have it. I've been on the ice for about 2.5 hours, and my son and 8 other 14-year-olds are coming up to the cabin, so I got to get back, get the pizzas going, all that good stuff. But I hope you enjoyed another episode of Pound the Bottoms Friday, where we actually caught fish. I have some fish on the ice for a catch and cook, so I'm really excited about that. So if you haven't yet already subscribed, we'd love for you to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, all that good jazz, and come on back for next week for another Pound the Bottom Friday. So, okay. Good talk. Boom. See you out there.